It is 5:13 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Let's go to the kitchen. You may be wondering why these padlocks are here. Well, these are the two padlocks I currently have. The two true padlocks. This is my first padlock. I have to set this down to unlock it. There goes the other one. There's that padlock. And then this new padlock. Which is only about which is a little over a week old, actually. I like this one. And since this one is newer, it has a much smoother action. It has much smoother unlocking. My main keys. And we're going to do something strange. Right here on the counter. Try and spin these. But before that... Wow. What if I did it with the other hand? Nope. Okay, then two hands. Oh my word! Ha ha ha! Oh my word! Damn! This is unreal! Oh my word! That is the best spin this master padlock had ever since I purchased it on the 29th of on Memorial Day in the year 2018, which I believe, if I recall correctly, was the 29th of May that year. Try and spin this new lock. Let's try and spin this new lock. Sing with the left hand first. Now I have to try it with my right hand. This may be a bit more shaky. Now I'll try and spin it with both hands. Whoa! So yeah. Those are my two master padlocks. I got this on the 4th of June in the year 2020, and today is the 15th of June in the year 2020. This is my memorial padlock, as I like to call it. And because this one is older, it has a bit more, it's more apparent in the amount of wear, in the amount of dirt that's on there, on the lock. So, yeah, those are my padlocks. And to send it out, I'm gonna try something I've never even dared to do before. I'm gonna try and spin. I'm gonna see if I can have both locks spinning. Oh my god! That one quickly fell. But this one just keeps going! I'm gonna try that one more time. Okay, rough start. Jeez, why can I not spin this? There we go! This one's still going. God! So there you have it. My 2 padlocks. So with that being said, until next time, drive safely.